Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel Dreams Unexplored. Today I am going to discuss and provide you the latest information about the initiative that has been taken by the Indian Railways in view of passenger safety. Indian Railways launched an app called Check-in Master for contactless ticket checking. This is a great initiative by the Railway Ministry towards its fellow passengers. In a bid to contain the spread of coronavirus, the Central Railway Mumbai Division has primarily launched this app for contactless ticket checking at Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Mumbai. The app is to be used by the ticket checking staff, which will help them to discharge their duties without any fear. The app can check PRS as well as the UTS ticket by screening the OCR, that is the optical character recognition code, and the QR code, that is the quick response code provided at the journey tickets. So the staff will be provided with handheld thermal guns to screen the passengers before their entry to the stations. In the first phase, the Railway Ministry has decided to install it at Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Later, it will expand to the other stations of the Central Railway, and further it will expand throughout the Indian major cities. Central Railway plans to expand by the initiative to install the flap gates, which is an automatic QR code based. Flap gates are the gates which are provided with the QR codes scanning facility. That is, the passengers entering the stations will automatically scan their tickets by those flap gates, and the ticket will be checked so that their entry will be easy without any contact with the railway personnel. So these flap gates will be installed in the entry and exit point of the stations. So the app was developed under Corporate Social Responsibility, that is CSR, by the Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, RECL, and hence incurred zero cost for the railways. So this move was a great move by the railways. I think it should have been applied earlier. Anyway, railway has taken the initiative, and hopefully it will be implemented as early as possible when the train service will be resumed, keeping an eye of social distancing. तो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को ध्यान में रखते हुए रेलवे ने ये इनिशिएटिव लिए है, and it apart from that it will help the frontline staff to maintain the social distancing with the passengers. So I think ये जो डिसीजन रेलवे मिनिस्ट्री ने लिए है बहुत फ़ायदे का है. तो ये हमको लगता है कि जो पैसेंजर्स हर रोज़ ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं, इसके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. And hope all of you will cooperate with the railways as soon as the railway starts its service. आज के लिए वीडियो इतना सही. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. होप स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे एट होम, एंड थैंक यू.